Let's explore Chartnote Copilot, your new digital assistant built to elevate productivity and enrich patient care through an intuitive chat interface. Copilot isn't just any chatbot. It's like conversing with a knowledgeable medical intern, one who actually checks the evidence before answering. Let's see it in action. Ask Copilot any medical question and watch it go straight to the source. It queries PubMed in real time and comes back with real citations, every one of them a link you can click and verify yourself. No guessing, no invented references. Just answers you can actually stand behind at the bedside. And Copilot lives right where you work. Open any note, and the side panel sits right beside it. Context-aware from the moment you open it, so you can ask about this visit, this patient, this note, and keep charting without ever losing your place. Every question you ask is saved automatically. Your Copilot library keeps a full history of past conversations, searchable and linked back to the note they came from, so nothing you've asked is ever really gone. Chartnote Copilot strictly adheres to HIPAA standards, keeping every interaction confidential. Revolutionize your practice with Chartnote Copilot, empowering you to focus on what truly matters, your patients.